Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panter. Today I can show you how to do this sparkle pattern really fast. Okay, first step, make sure that you're on a field. Click on the field, select the color. I'm gonna go with the black. Click on the stroke, click on the none so you don't have anything on the stroke. Click on the field, select the rectangle, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a square, and select it and go to the effects, warp, bulge, and make sure that the bend is on -100 like this. And click OK. Go to Object, Expand Appearance, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Press and hold Shift, rotate it once and twice, select them both, press Ctrl G. Go to the objects, go to the pattern, make, voila. And of course, click on the done. From here, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna select a new rectangle from here, like so, and go to the swatches. And in the swatches, you can see here the new pattern. Boom, there you go. You can scale it down, go to Object, Transform, Scale. And uncheck the transform object, make sure these are unchecked and this is checked, and scale it down. Boom, there you go. Click OK. So yeah, basically this is how you make this sparkling pattern in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.